Okay, then you can start whenever you're ready.
Cool. Hello, everyone. And are you guys hearing me okay?
Yes, we hear you clearly.
Okay. So here is a site plan drawing from the book, and I can explain what it's represent. So for right here, I'll using the right line to show. Like right here, it's a topography line, and each line and represent the different height of the site, and those lines are also the topo line. And you can say the more dense parts, it means like it's higher angle of the slope, which is it's more like the level change is more intense, and the distance between them it's more like larger, means it's like a lower slope, like the slope is not changing the level that quickly. And beyond that, the topo line, and so here this part is a building part. And what we can see it's a rooftop right here, and another level of the room. Like it might be the hard surface of the deck or something. You can see there is very fluency curve line that's represent here part. This part is represents the trails. And what I'm drawing right now, highlight right now, this part is might be the parking or like or the hard surface like outside space, which is different from the ground part. That's like the line is representing a different surface from here. And another thing is like we need to notice, and they have like different number to show what is exactly is. And you can see like another thing like right here, it's representing trees. And so for this one, it's having a lot of trees, and it's not like really clear to show how the tree is drawing. And later on, I'll introduce how to draw trees in the site plan drawing. This it's more diagrammatic, like show how the car able to like the direction of the car could drive around. So and okay, so first of the thing, to draw a site plan, we have to draw a site plan, we need to know how much of the space to be. For example, our site is like this big. the first step is you need to draw the topo line, for example. And I can design my topo line like this. And for the topo line, it must be the thinnest line. And after you draw the first layer of the topo line and you already have your design set up and where you wanna put your building, and you can, for example, I'm choosing to be here. So when you put your building over here, the level over you might want your entrance over here. So the level of this part, the level of this part is gonna be the same level, right? And you enter from here. So my building gonna cutting off partial of the higher level right here and this here. So it's gonna be the same level with this part. And usually how I'm doing is it's drawing the topo line on one layer of the white paper, and then using another layer on the top of the tracing paper on the top of it, and trying to draw and trying to position my building where I want to go. And you may change your design when you want to change it, but the topo line is still the same. So my building right here, and so let's leave out the building parts a little bit, and we can do it later. For the trees, and you do have your outside environments like trees and the waters. The further thing is we need to know how to draw in the trees, and trees is going to be different from section drawing and set plan drawing. And here I can show like different ways to draw the trees, and it might be a little bit large because it's more detailed. The most simple way is just to draw the tree trunk in the middle and draw a circle. And you also can use like the color to highlight the trees right here, or you just simple using lines to represent it. Another way to draw the trees is you have the trunk in the middle, and to be and just like it's just with branches. And it looks like a circle, and when another trees right here. It's more looks like a winter tree, and it only have the branch. There's no leaves, something. And the third way to draw the trees is you outline what it looks like. And that's very simple. And you can add some colors on it. It should be transparent color, not cover the tree branch right here. So here is couple with drawing the trees. For me, I'll draw the trees very simplified way. And I have trees right here and around my building, and couple right here. The next thing is like how to draw the different beyond the grass on the side, and there is different surface. Where you step on is like a concrete trail or it's like a wood deck. It's gonna be different from the site itself. So the next step is like we can draw the like what you want people to experience your site with a for example, here is our entrance and you can coming out from here. So I'm gonna using the different color, but it's actually need to like I have a little bit like outdoor space right here, and I wanted them to be a little bit circle right here. And that part I'm gonna follow it. So for you guys, don't using the different color because my iPad not able to like clean it only that part. So when you do it and you need to clean that part, yeah, because when I clean it, it's the whole line, it's gonna missing. But within the blue line, it's need to clean up. And instead using the dash line to represent the different level. Or you can design where you want to change the level of your trails. And for the surface of the of your trails and or outdoor space like decking, it could represent different way. For the wood deck, for example, it's if your trail like that, you need to draw each of the parallel of them. Or it's like a concrete slab. I think you may just leaving out like the blank space, or you can just like give some like texture to show that's concrete. And for example, if I using the wood deck, it could be this way. Another part, and I will give you guys more like how to draw this hard surface and with the PowerPoint, and don't worry right now, it's just showing how you're gonna do it. And you may want to highlight a little bit the lines. The lines will be a little bit thicker. Then the topo line. the topo line usually is most thin like line over here. And beyond that part, and we can draw the water. And for me, my water might be just like occupied right here. I can just using color to represent it. Or you just like leaving this out and annotated it, that's water part. So for the site plan, we also need to, okay. So for site plan, we also need to think about what is outdoor space, and it's similar to your trails. And if you have the outdoor space, you might wanna like position on somewhere. And for example, my outdoor space would be on the back over here. I just like, which is able connecting with my building. So if it's right here, some connection with it, and which means I'm able to enter the building and go outdoor space from here. So its level will be changed, right? And because I'm gonna having my outdoor space same level as here. If one topo line represent 1 feet, and the change of the level would be, so my building level right here, my building level right here, it's, for example, it's level 1. And my outdoor space level would be 1, 2, 3, 4. It's gonna be 4 feet different height. So I wanna having like a stair right here. Like 1, 2, 3, 4. If my stair it's half there, so it's so in section, my outdoor space right here and my building right here, the change level will be 4 feet. And each step of my stair would be half feet, which is only 6 inches. So I need 8 steps. So I draw like 8 steps together, and the change would be 4 feet. And then you need to like erase that part and erase that part. And that's your, how you enter this, the upper outdoor space. Similar to the trails, the outdoor space you could using wood deck texture or something else you want to make. For now, it's almost include everything. And so Grace, do you want to add in any more things to that?
If you can show a quick sketch when you are drawing the floor plan on how to represent furniture, walls, glass, and hidden projections. So you probably need a new screen to do that.
Yeah, I'll just like, do you guys, so are you recorded, or you think I can just screenshot this image and they can understand later to go back to have a look?
I'm recording it, but I think because it will be
Oh,
huge to upload, what I'll do is I'll pause and I'll stop now and start recording again. So I'll stop. I'll let you know when I'm starting again. Um,